Welcome to DailyStockHunt.com and Stocks and News today. Thyrocare Technologies has entered into a business transfer agreement with Polo Labs Private Limited to acquire Polo's diagnostic and pathological services business, including equipment, assets, intellectual property, brands, and client base for Rs 4.26 crores in cash. Moil achieved record quarterly sales and production in April to June 2024, with sales growing 14.5% and production increasing by 7.8% year-on-year. The company also conducted 30,028 meters of exploratory core drilling, up 49% from the previous year. Kotak Mahindra Bank Limited issued a clarification regarding public statements by Hindenburg Research LLC and a SEBI show cause notice received by a group entity. The notice concerns allegations of short-selling Adani Enterprises stock before Hindenburg's January 2023 report. Kotak clarifies that the transactions were made by K India Opportunities Fund on the advice of investor Kingdon without any collusion with Hindenburg. The fund and Kotak deny any wrongdoing and confirm compliance with all legal obligations. RVNL has won a Rs 132.59 crores contract from Central Railway to upgrade the 1x25 kW electric traction system to a 2x25 kW AT feeding system in the Wardha Balasha section. The project will be completed in 24 months. 5paisa Capital Limited has been fined Rs 2.59 crores and barred from onboarding new clients for 14 days by MCX's MCSGFC for unreported technical glitches. The company will appeal and state that existing business and client obligations are unaffected. Indian Energy Exchange, India's premier electricity exchange, achieved electricity volume of 10,185 MU in June 2024, marking a 24.7% year-on-year increase. The total monthly volume, including certificates, at 10,677 MU, increased 19.4% on year-on-year basis. Puravankara Limited acquired a 7.26-acre land in Hebagodi, Bengaluru, planning a luxury residential project of about 750,000 square feet with a potential GDV exceeding 900 crores. Zomato subsidiary Zomato Financial Services Limited has decided to withdraw its application to become a non-banking financial company due to the decision not to pursue lending or credit business. This decision has no material impact on Zomato's revenue or operation. For more news and updates, check our website dailystockhunt.com.